cart?
Golf cart.
Bye-bye, Rudhil.
Bye-bye, Woodhill.
Na-enjoy na si Zebedia, Eli.
Bye-bye, Roadhill.
Not, not,
Roadhill.
Because it's a name, Rudy Hilot. The name of the owner.
that's
Owner.
why.
It's just Rude.
Rudy Hill.
Gihilot si Zebedia.
What are you doing?
Ano mo kaya paglabas mo pagka dito makita lang mo.
The pool.
Katabi lang. Pwede mo na? O mag-isa na tayo. Atras.
Going out.
Bye-bye, Roadhill. My friends are still thinking. Mommy, I just know that my friends are still dating Japan. Because the guy has
Bagal na yun. Tapos tayo?
Where?
Hindi na lang. Pwede magkakatuloy. Tanaw lang na ito.
Mag-also man ka diha.
Hindi lang tapat kung sa iyang tsura pa. Ang daming solar light, oh.
Rudhil space.
Okay na ba?
Ang sana? Adventure? Saan?
Yung convention center.
Ah, kana.
Ano?
What's that place?